Kwa ihinda iraya kuma gutithuka gwa king'uki kia murimu wa coronavirus bururi-ini, mihang'o ya guthima andu kimumu kundu gutiganite niyo ithiite na mbere kwendekithio niguo kuruta mbica ya maundu uria mahana. No wagi wa macini na indo ingi itiganite cia gutabania mihang'o ino akoretwo ari muhinga munene hari thirikari gukinyaniria undu uyu. No na kuri uguo mihang'o ino ni irambiriirie muthenya wa ira kuria muigana wa andu 803 maratabaniirio ithimi cia murimu uyu. Igana rimwe ria wari arigitani aria makoretwo muhari wa mbere hari kurigita arwaru murimu uyu bururi-ini.
And we are doing targeted testing. We started with the front liners, the people who are in the front. We are also going to accident and emergency, ICU, renal, wards that are involved like that. At the end of it all, we'll have finished with all the health workers, and again we'll restart again. We keep restarting again.
Mihang'o ino nitanyitwo kunyitithio thinga na njira nene matuku-ini turorete thutha wa Kenya kwamukira macini na indo ingi cia guteithiriria hari guthima murimu uyu kuma kuri mwonjoria wa China Jack Ma. Undu umwe na mabũrũri ma Germany, Faraja na China kuhitukira ruhonge rwa urumwe wa mabũrũri rwa urigitani ruo WHO.
The game changer in all this will be mass testing, isolating and treating. This is because we will be able to isolate cases, including asymptomatic ones, in good time before they are spread. Using the risk profile approach announced yesterday, we are working around the clock to double our sample collection and testing capacity.
Kurigana na thirikari, mihang'o ino gutabanio na mubango kurigana na andu na icigo iria iri hatikaini nene ya kunyitwo ni murimu uyu. Kuria mothe maabitha a ministry ya ugima wa mwiri matinda magithurima gicagi gia Kibra mbere ya uthimani uyu ukinyite kuu. Makinya ota maya magitanywo gutabanio icigo-ini ingi ciothe ari njira-ini ya kuhitana na king'uki giki.
We will do this systematically. We don't just want to walk into a place and without any plan, start testing. We are doing surveillance work today, even in Kibera. We have got a team that is going around with thermal guns and just taking temperatures and just trying to see whether there is any concern or whether there is any area, whether there are people that we should be taking further into a testing stage. So it's organized, and we are going to do it in an organized manner for maximum effect.
Mihang'o ino yambiriirio riri namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu bururi-ini yongererekete na andu angi 9 umuthi na gukinyithia andu 225 aria mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu guku andu 12 mahetwo rutha kuma thibitari thutha wa kuhona murimu uyu na gukinyithia andu 53 aria mahonete bururi-ini.
If we play it the way we are playing it at the moment, if we continue with the testing, with the more improved testing, therefore more isolation, because the more you test, the more you are likely to create quarantine facilities and isolation facilities. If we do that, then we have a projection where then the growth in the numbers will not be the growth that we have seen in other countries.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.